Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's showbiz update guys, magpa-paunin update. Yes, paunin update guys. Paula Belen and Jen Gutierrez update guys. But more on nene talaga to guys. So kaganapan ng paunin kahapon. So ito yung minay din nene kahapon. Good morning as of today. Then nene at TV5. So ayan, feel nyo na ba ang Christmas? Kasi papalabas na yung 2023 TV5 Christmas Station ID 2023 sa ayan, sabay-sabay nating panoorin on November 17, Friday. So, ito yung ganap ng paunin kahapon. Actually, halos lahat ng kapamilya. Ito yung pinost ni Sir Eric Salute. Just got home from a star-studded shoot. Di pa tapos, pero halos patapos na. Nakaka-happy seeing my kapamilyas red. So, ito yung sinasabi ni Sir Eric Salute, guys. Ayan. Star-studded shoot sa ABS-CBN Christmas Station ID 2023. Yan si Nene with Jewel Torre, John Arcelia, Team Dirty Linen sila dyan guys. Ayan. So, ipikizon. Yung iba din, syempre nag-uusap yung mga kapamilya dyan. Kaya, di pa ano yan, nagtabi-tabi lang sila. Then, iba yun din yung kay Pao. Is Team Lin lang din siya guys. Baka may magalit na naman bakit sinali pa si Pao guys. So, ayan si Pao with Maricel, Kayla, Kara. So, yung best friend din nene. Then, ayan. Team din lang Heaven. Ayan. Team din lang cast. Alam ko guys, kilala nyo na sila dyan. Silang lahat kilala nyo na. Then, ito yung closer look sa makeup, sa aura ni nene sa ABS-CBN shoot. ABS-CBN Christmas Station ID. Star-studded shoot nga, sabi ni Sir Eric Salute. So, ayun guys, credit to sa makeup artist na nene. So, ayun siya guys. By the way guys, yung makita niyong pictures and videos dito is credit to the rightful owner guys. Konting Nene and Nine guys. May magagalit na naman kasi ang lamya ko daw. Sorry po. Janine Gutierrez na nga lang. So, ayun siya guys. Ulitin ko guys. Credit to the rightful owner yung pictures and videos na makita niyo dito guys. Hope you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love lots. Ingat kayong lahat.
In the future